Once again to our channel Invest in Bharat Stocks. Now in this channel we are sharing our views and our opinion about different stocks, and we are discussing the stocks which we think that in coming years they will give you good returns. They will become star stocks. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and also share this video with your friends and relatives who are interested to take any position in the share market, so that they also can take good decision. Now this is our 13th stock in our 40 stock series. Now this is company from automobile sector. Now as you may be knowing that for last many years automobile sector is under pressure, and so now there are more chances of revival of the sector, and so there will be a good rally of stocks. So we have chosen this stock which was under pressure for so many time, and now there is time that this stock will make a good rally and will give good returns. Now our principle here is that we have to save the capital and increase the profits. So according to that, we are selecting only those stocks which are fundamentally strong, good management, good R&D, they have good market share, so that these stocks will generally achieve the targets. They will not lose the target. There is no speculation. They are fundamentally strong companies. Even if you hold the stocks for a long period, you will get good returns in terms of dividend as well as the rise in the stock price. So let us start. So this company is incorporated in 1956, and it is engaged in manufacturing different automobile spares components, and this primary manufactures gaskets, heat shields, forgings, chassis systems, suspension systems, anti-vibration components, hoses, and they have very diversified portfolio. So the company has a very good range of products that is required for the automobile sector, and you can see that these products, these items are used for passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, agri, off-loaders and industrial, and so all the automobile range is covered by this company. They are served by this company. So the company has very good customer base as well as very good product base. So this is our 13th stock. Now over a last 6 decades, the company has positioned as a market leader in manufacturing gaskets with 40% market share. This is very good. So the company has very good market share in gaskets. Now the company has joint ventures or collaboration with different companies, and these companies are mainly from Japan. So Nippon Linkless Talbros is our company. Talbros has robust capability to design, develop and manufacture products as per changing customer requirements, and they have very good facility, manufacturing facilities. Now Magneti Marelli Talbros, this is another venture, and they are expertise in designing and operational efficiency and know-how for full spectrum of suspension components. They have again collaboration with other company also. So they have big collaboration and good collaboration with the companies from there where they can get good R&D, good know-how, and because of that this company is supplier to most of the manufacturers in the world. Most of the manufacturers. So good product base, good customer base, good R&D, good collaboration with different companies, with market players, and they are good supplier to most of the manufacturers in the world, including two-wheeler, three-wheeler and passenger vehicles, all segments. So this company has a very good demand and there are chances of good growth for this company. Now if you see the financial achievement, the income from operations increased from 392.98 crores to 482.85 crores. And profit also after tax also improved from 22.9 crores to 26.38 crores in 2018-19. Now the growth opportunities are tremendous. The main reason is that now there will be shift from conventional vehicles to the electric vehicles. So there are chances that first of all, whatever available petrol diesel vehicles, they should be scrapped or they will be converted to electrical vehicles, and new demand for electrical vehicles will be growing, so they will require spare parts, so requirement for spares will be huge in coming days. Second is that disposable income is increasing, so because of that the car or any vehicle is now essential for every person and every family. So because of disposable income, they can spend and they can buy the vehicle. If the demand of vehicle is increased, then ultimately demand for the spares will increase, components will be increased, and so the company will also have good sales in the coming days. Global interconnectedness, because of that they can sell all over the globe. They have customer base in India as well as outside India. So this is a very good thing that they will not be affected by any one market situation. Even the demand in India is not good, they can sell outside, and they have good growth in India also. Because of that they have good customer base. And rapid urbanization, as urbanization is increasing, the demand for vehicle transportation is also increasing, and because of that the company will be having good chances of growth. Now if you see the shareholding pattern, the promoters have 15.16% stake. It means that the management is very strong, they can take decisions, and they have faith that the company will grow in coming days. Second thing is that banks, financial institutions, insurance, FIIs and others, they have 8.41% stake. General public had 33.37% stake. The price of the share on the 14th of August 2020 was 113.5. 52 weeks high and low is 161.2 high and 62.5 low. Number of shares are 12 million. So this is a small company, small cap, or we can say that micro cap, and face value is 10, and dividend was 50 paise, means 50% dividend they have given. Free float is 41.84%, means anybody wants to take a big position, he can take position in this company. Market capitalization is 142 crores. So the company has a small capitalization yet. So as the company's capitalization will grow, the shareholders' wealth will also increase. So if anybody wants to take a position over a long period, he can get very good returns. PE ratio is 20.61, price to book value is 0.7, this is very good, and debt to equity is 0.11. It means that the company has lower debt. So this is also a very good thing for this company. Now if we see the results, that net sales increased from 385 crores to 483 crores from financial year 2015 to 2019. 384, then 388, 325, it was less in one period, then 393 and 483. In the same way, the operating profit also increased from 39 crores to 50 crores. In between there was a dip, but after that again it came out and it became 50 crores in 2019. Net profit from 14 crores to 26 crores, 14, 10, 12, then 23 and 26. So we can say that the company is in the growth phase, and still the company has maintained a good growth, even though there was not a very good condition for the auto sector over the last many years. Still the company has maintained its survival in under such condition, and so Now if the company comes out of this phase, or this automobile sector comes out of this phase, then there will be tremendous growth potential for this company. Now if you see the assets, fixed assets increase from 114 crores to 144 crores, 114, then 117, 119, 128 and 144. In the same way, total assets also increased from 384 crores to 498 crores. 384, then 396, 393, 465 and 498. It means that see, the company is market leader in its segment in most of the sections. Another, they have very good collaborations. They have good R&D, good technology, good management control, low debt. The price to book value is also less. Then there are very good chances of growth in coming years, and automobile sector is recovering. So if this sector recovers, then this will be a major beneficiary, because they are suppliers to most of the companies, including two-wheelers, three-wheelers, passenger segments, heavy vehicles, all everywhere they are supplying. So because of that, they have very good demand. They are supplying in India as well as outside. So they have good customer base, good product range, and there is no debt as such. Because of that, the profits will be more, and in coming days we can see a very good growth in the share price as well as in the dividend. So if anybody wants to take position, he can take position in this company. Again, we'll once again tell you that this is our research. You have to do your own study, and you have to discuss with your investment advisor. After that only you can take any position in this company. Now this company is Talbros Automotive Components Limited. The NSE code is Talbros Auto. BSE code is 505160. So the company is good bet at present condition. It is in the growth phase, and always you can make money in the company which is in the growth phase. So you can think over this, and you can take a position with the help of your knowledge, experience and investment advisor. So here we conclude our this video. If you want any more information, you can write in the comment so that we can give you more information. We'll once again meet with our next stock. Up to then, take care. Thank you.